Hello everybody, in this video we will make nail extension using gel and tips. At the very first stage we prepare the nails. We use an antiseptic agent to remove cuticle, handle the nails using a 240 grit file. Keep in mind not to overfile nails, we are to make a rough matte surface only. Brush off the dust and file a nail-free edge. The shorter the length the better, but there is one point. It is desirable that the nail shape match to the contact tips area. Use alcohol to remove dust. We select tips for every nail, since nails are usually larger on the right hand than on the left. Tips should fit in the nail easily and naturally, perfectly fill the width. It is prohibited to stick a tip to nail by force. It may crack. In case you have to use force to press a tip to a nail, just take a larger tip and file it on either side. I have classic tips with a wide contact area. The tip should cover no more than 1/3 of a nail, therefore I will cut them with a cutter. If you most of your natural nail with a tip, it will be useless to cover them with gel. Such nails will fall in 1 week. When the tips are ready, you can treat the nails with alcohol, degreaser or apply bonder. Apply glue to a tip, attach it at an angle of 45 degrees and press firmly so that no air could remain under the tip. Any air bubble will result in the tip falling off within a week. If you leave a large space between the tip and the nail, it will fall off on the same day. Shorten the tips to make the length suitable. Use scissors to cut the excess width. File nails to the desired shape. Level the joint between the natural nail and the tip with a file. The last thing is to remove the gloss from the tips to prevent the gel from topping off. When filing the nail tip joint, use a file edge only and try not to touch the natural nail. Remove the dust and apply primer onto the natural nail surface only. You shouldn't cover the tips, gel will keep firmly on them. After the nails have dried completely, apply the pearl gel layer. You can use bar gel on one phase gel. Cure 1 minute to let lamp. Then, apply the second sculptural gel layer. I use camouflage gel, but you can use transparent if you like. Avoid any contact of the gel with your cuticle. This leads to gel exfoliating, but on the nail sides, the gel should be applied as close to the edge as possible. Cure 1 minute and let lamp. Remove the sticky layer with alcohol. Use a 180 grit file to smooth the nail surface. Make it symmetrical. On the nail edges, the gel should be as thin as possible. I will apply another thin layer of camouflage gel on the nails and will finish it with spangles. Cure 1 minute in wet lamp. I cover the nails with matte top. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.